Catenation. Carbon atoms can link by strong covalent bonds to form long straight chains. Carbon atoms can also form branched chains. They can also form rings. This property helps carbon to form a huge number of compounds. Catenation is the phenomenon in which large number of atoms of the same element join together to form long chains. Carbon exhibits maximum catenation because of the ability to form strong covalent bonds and tetravalence. Isomerism. See the structure of N-butane. 4 carbon atoms linked together in a straight chain. Now closely observe the structure of isobutene. Here is also 4 carbon atoms linked together in a different way to form a branched chain. Both the structures have the same molecular formula C4H10. Isomerism is the phenomenon of having identical molecular formula but different structures. Carbon atoms are capable of forming multiple bonds with other carbon atoms. This enables carbon to form a large number of compounds. In ethylene, 2 carbon atoms are joined with a double bond. In propyne, there is a triple bond. Benzene has 3 double bonds. Now I hope you have understood the unique character of carbon. I have told you that the number of carbon compounds exceeds 5 million. The main source of natural carbon compounds are plants and various carbonaceous material like coal, wood, natural gas, petroleum, etc. Petroleum. Petroleum is a dark oily liquid formed between the layers of sedimentary rocks. It is formed from the remains of plants and animals buried under the rocks for millions of years. It is obtained by drilling holes in the earth. Petroleum is refined to get petrochemical products like LPG, petrol, diesel and kerosene. Plant and animal remains buried under earth on decomposition in the absence of oxygen is transformed into coal after millions of years. Coal after distillation and chemical processing gives different products like naphthalene, medicines and explosives. Well, now you have learnt how these carbonaceous materials are formed in nature. Petroleum and coal are also called fossil fuels. There are many kinds of coal. The oldest one is anthracite, which contains 95% of carbon. Another coal, bituminous, which contains 82% of carbon. It is the most common variety of coal. The third one is lignite, which has only 70% of carbon. Coal is also a source of many carbon compounds. When coal is heated to 500 to 1000 degrees Celsius without contact to air, it gets converted into a variety of solid, liquid and gaseous carbon compounds. This process is known as coal distillation or pyrolysis or carbonization of coal. Now let's learn another class of carbon compounds called hydrocarbons.